India is a country of great economic and cultural diversity. It is also home to some of the richest people in the world. Mukesh Ambani is the richest man in India and the 10th richest person in the world. He is the chairman and managing director of Reliance Industries, one of the largest conglomerates in India. Ambani's net worth is estimated to be $83.4 billion. Gautam Adani is the second richest man in India and the 25th richest person in the world. He is the chairman and founder of the Adani Group, a multinational conglomerate with interests in energy, ports, and infrastructure. Adani's net worth is estimated to be $47.2 billion. Shiv Nadar is the third richest man in India and the 53rd richest person in the world. He is the founder and chairman of HCL Technologies, one of the largest IT companies in India. Nadar's net worth is estimated to be $25.6 billion. Cyrus Poonawalla is the fourth richest man in India and the 81st richest person in the world. He is the chairman of the Serum Institute of India, the world's largest vaccine manufacturer. Poonawalla's net worth is estimated to be $22.6 billion. Lakshmi Mittal is the fifth richest man in India and the 100th richest person in the world. He is the chairman and CEO of ArcelorMittal, the world's largest steelmaker. Mittal's net worth is estimated to be $17.7 billion. Savitri Jindal is the sixth richest woman in India and the 156th richest person in the world. She was the chairperson of the O.P. Jindal Group, one of the largest industrial conglomerates in India. Jindal's net worth is estimated to be $17.5 billion. Dilip Shanghvi is the seventh richest man in India and the 176th richest person in the world. He is the chairman and managing director of Sun Pharmaceutical Industries, one of the largest pharmaceutical companies in India. Shanghvi's net worth is estimated to be $15.6 billion. Radhakishan Damani is the eighth richest man in India and the 196th richest person in the world. He is the founder and chairman of Avenue Supermarts, the owner of D-Mart, a chain of discount stores in India. Damani's net worth is estimated to be $15.3 billion. Kumar Birla is the ninth richest man in India and the 216th richest person in the world. He is the chairman of Aditya Birla Group, one of the largest conglomerates in India. Birla's net worth is estimated to be $14.2 billion. Uday Kotak is the 10th richest man in India and the 236th richest person in the world. He is the founder and managing director of Kotak Mahindra Bank, one of the largest private banks in India. Kotak's net worth is estimated to be $12.9 billion. These are the top 10 richest Indians as of March 2023. These individuals have amassed incredible wealth through their business acumen and hard work. They are an inspiration to us all and a reminder that anything is possible if we set our minds to it.